Is your Cadillac Escalade refusing to launch Apple CarPlay? Let's troubleshoot the connection in under 3 minutes. Statistically, most connection issues on Q systems stem from faulty lightning cables or worn USB ports. We need to systematically isolate whether the problem is your phone, the cable, or the infotainment module. Start by ruling out the physical path by swapping your cable and cleaning the connection ports on both ends. Sometimes the handshake fails because your iPhone has the vehicle restricted or the pairing profile is corrupted. If the phone is fine, your Escalade's Q system might simply need a soft reboot to refresh its communication modules. Most users solve this at home, but if the system fails to recognize any device, you likely have a damaged head unit. The vast majority of disconnects are easily resolved, leaving only a small fraction of cases requiring professional hardware service. For persistent issues, check your fuse box and consider a full factory reset of the infotainment system settings. You do not need specialized tools, but a high-quality cable is the most important part of your diagnostic kit. Always check for iOS updates first, as Apple frequently pushes fixes for CarPlay compatibility drivers. If these steps don't restore your connection, visit your dealer to rule out a failing infotainment module. Thanks for watching.